The exhibition, As Above, So Below, on display in Galerie Annexe, features new works by Gillian King. King is a painter, art educator, art therapist in training, holds an MFA from the University of Ottawa, and currently works with seniors living in long-term care. Described in the exhibit essay written by Gabrielle Doiron, they describe how King's work bears witness to patterns that entangle life forms at all scales. A reference to the phrase used in many belief systems, including tarot, astrology, and sacred geometry, the exhibition's title invites us to look up and down. Equally, it is a call to look around to recognize the myriad ways in which all life on Earth, human and other than human, is mutually dependent. Ceding to the unpredictability of natural dyeing processes, King collaborates with her materials and their unique temporalities, honoring their life forces. The dyeing process for each canvas results in powerful symmetries, above and below, side to side, echoing patterns in nature. In Arachnoid, with its vibrant green lines arching outward, also evoke the shapes of arachnids, spider plants, and architectural forms alike. In alveoli, the reddish cochineal stains evoke the tiny air sacs in our lungs that exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide into our bloodstream. While these paintings conjure up interrelated animacies of all life forms, they also demand an engagement with questions of grief, renewal, and the complex webs of living and dying. References to parts and processes of the human body in these works highlight fragility, vulnerabilities, and resilience encountered by King as a healthcare worker. In this sense, As Above, So Below, attentive to care, ethical responsibility, and the tangling up of all life, rejects what Alexis Shotwell defines as purity politics. Instead, it offers a refusal of homogeneous, purifiable world that is fixated on progress and denies interconnectedness of all bodies. How would Anthropocenic relationships to life forms change if all humans looked up, down, and around rather than ahead? What might it mean to look at the world and its phenomena through a lens of interdependence and mutual care? This exhibition underscores the urgency of these questions, offering a meditative space for sitting with the complexities of contamination and the condition of being alive.